Like, do people just not work out when they have their hair done? Cause I'll be your inspiration. Cause I know that you'll do just what you're told. I'll be your heart and temptation. Cause I know that you'll make it on your own. Welcome back to my channel. So as you can see in the title, I'm going to be showing you how to keep your lace on while you're at the gym. For some reason, when I first kind of got into them, I noticed that people don't work out in their lace fronts. So I'm like, do you reapply them every day? Because I don't have time for that, and I just won't wear them if that's the case, because no. So I wore it a little bit, went to the gym because the gym is part of my day-to-day activity, and I realized a couple of ways to keep my lace down. So I want to go ahead and share those with you guys. I use the Carol Daughters Mimosa Hair Honey, the Shine Pomade. So that's the first thing that I use there. So I take a little bit of this, and I literally mean a little bit, guys. Like, that's how much I take. I rub that in my hand. The ass hair. Just kidding. It's not nasty. So I normally like my bangs in a certain place. Like, I like them to fall a certain way. So I pin them back that specific way. So I take, this is what I would be considering like my bang piece. This is not, oh, and by the way, this is not the natural texture of the hair. It is a body wave. But I did do some pin curls in it a couple of days ago, so those are worn out. So I flip my hair, but I try to make sure that it's not too much on my face. And then this little piece has like a curl to it. So I literally take this curl, bunch that bitch up into another curl. And there we are, back in action as far as that goes. So then I take the rest of the hair. I keep my, I keep this part out so that it doesn't, I know that was gross as fuck. I keep this part out so that it doesn't pull my lace front back. Then I twist it like so, and I take a rubber band, and there we go. A look. Wear your hair just like this. Just kidding. Alright, and then I take a headband. I do put the headband on first. You're gonna see what I'm talking about. I'm gonna keep this underneath the headband, so when I put it on, it just comes on. I feel like I'm about to die. I'm claustrophobic, guys. Oof. Okay, so I take a little bit of the Got to Be Glued, a little bit of the spray. A little bit. Do you hear? A little bit. So I take that and I spray where it mostly lifts for me, because my forehead's fucking gigantic. And I just spray that on. And I literally tap that little bit in. And then I move my bang out of my face like so. I know I keep looking at my monitor, but you're gonna have to deal with it for a second. I'm trying to make sure I get y'all right. And then I wear my headband at my eyebrows. Basically. Because it's covering the lace, and I'm going to the gym. It's like this. And then I take another small, just rubber band, and I take the headband and I pull it, and then I tie it. Now you can use the little barber strips or whatever the case may be. Whatever you use to tie your hair down on a normal basis, you can use that. I'm a cheap hoe, so, and I don't wear lace fronts enough for me to have like lace front materials. So here's what we're looking at. I'm gonna go ahead and head to the gym and I will be back. Bye. So I just got back from the gym. I just wanted to show you guys, like, nothing looks crazy. My bun has dropped a little bit and my bobby pins aren't as tight. So there's that. But I still have my headband on. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna keep the headband on. All you need to do to keep your hair laid down is keep this on and let it dry completely. So wrap your hair when you go to the gym, work out normal, come home, take care of your routine, do all of that while keeping the headband on so that it completely dries, and when you take it off it'll be good to go. So I'm gonna go ahead and do all of that, and then I'm gonna come back on camera when I'm done. Hey guys, I'm back. So looking greasy as ever. I was gonna get dressed, but I'm going to work, and yeah, there's that. So what I do is I take my hair out, take all these bobby pins I have out, have out, and I'm in a rush because I'm running late. Like, I'm always running late. Alrighty. And then usually I would do my baby hairs, but I don't have time. Alrighty, so we take this off and we comb her out right here, and we are good to go. That's literally how I work out in my lace fronts. I've never had an issue. My wig has never slid off during the day or anything like that. Make sure it's completely dry before you take that scarf off, and you are good to go. Those are the only things that I personally do to keep my hair down when I go to the gym. That's it, guys. So until next time, don't do anything I wouldn't do, and if you do, do it twice.